We built organizations to solve one problem. How do you get thousands of people to behave like one machine? The answer was the pyramid. Control at the top, execution at the bottom. And it worked. But even then, somewhere in every factory, there was one person who was watching the system itself, not just working inside it. Then scale arrived. We divided organizations into pieces. Efficiency improved, but we also built walls. And the most valuable person in the room was no longer the best expert. It was the one who could see across the walls. So we added coordination, structuring projects across functions with dual reporting lines. We tried to solve complexity with more complexity. The most valuable person now was the one who could hold direction while everything around them was pulling in different directions. Then speed became everything. We flattened, we decentralized, we call it agility. But speed created a new problem. When everything moves fast, mistakes scale. The most valuable person now was the one who could govern speed without killing it. And now we arrive. AI can analyze, generate, simulate, execute faster than any human organization ever could. So, what remains? Everyone expects the answer to be learn the tools faster, automate more. No, something more fundamental is happening. For 200 years, every time a new machine arrived, it sorted the room, not by intelligence, not by effort, not by experience, but by one thing. Whether you understood what the machine was for, and whether you could tell it when it was wrong. You have been in that room, the one where the numbers all said yes, and something still felt wrong. And now, the machine is asking you. Because in the end, AI does not replace people, it reveals them. You are not becoming obsolete. You are becoming foundational.